Hello and welcome to Critical Reading. I'll be your instructor this semester, and my name is Mrs. Morrison. I'm really excited for you to get started in this fully online class. I feel like you're going to learn a great deal about how to read at a college level and also how to become metacognitively aware of different reading and study strategies. So this is a picture of the textbook we will be using, and we will be covering 4 units in the textbook. Unit 1, Reading for Structure. Unit 2, Reading for Main Ideas. Unit 3, Reading for Study. And Unit 4, Reading Critically. In addition, we'll be completing 3 projects. The first, the career project, is a project that allows you to do some basic research about one of the careers or job areas you're thinking about pursuing. The second project, the information literacy project, teaches you how to do lateral reading. Lateral reading is a strategy that helps you sift through all the information that you might find online in order to find the most valid and reliable. And we'll end out the semester with the article analysis project. The article analysis project has to do with how to read arguments or argumentative essays and evaluate them. So if you need some help with operating D2L Brightspace, be sure to watch the videos in the Read Me First module. Honestly, they are very helpful. If you don't know how to upload an assignment, participate in a discussion, or take a quiz in D2L, these are basic elements of this class, and watching the short videos will teach you how to do this. If you have taken a class in D2L before at Pima, then you could probably skip these videos unless you need a review. Also, if you're having any kind of tech trouble, like your computer compatibility or accessing Brightspace, if you go to the very first page of the course in D2L, and you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see sort of a fancy light bulb icon. And if you click on that icon, it will take you to a D2L help website. And other kinds of issues you might have, in addition to tech issues, would be if you had trouble understanding the instructions for the assignment. And if you have trouble with the assignment itself, rather than technology, I'm here to help you. You can contact me through email at dmorrison@pima.edu. It's very helpful if you include your name and CRN in your messages. And I'm here to help you. Any questions that you ask me, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, I will respond within 24 hours. My office, my physical office, is located on West Campus in J110. Check the syllabus in the course for days and times that you can come and talk to me face to face. Also, if you'd like, I could set up a video conference with you. Just send me an email with some days and times that you're available. Again, welcome to Critical Reading.